Hello YouTube and welcome to Trading to the Promised Land. Today is August 21st, 2023. In front of you we have the Forex pair Usdjpy on the 5-minute chart using the TradingView software. This will be a backtesting session starting with the London session, and we'll see what it gave us. At first glance it looks like it was a trending day, but let's see how good it was. So I'll do the replay mode and we'll look at it together. Again, the strategy that I'll be using is supply and demand. You can already tell that there was a setup here that hit right in the beginning of the morning. So there was a supply here, sharp or aggressive selling, and then it came back, hit it, and went back down for stop loss just above the end of that candle. Could have gone in a 126, which is really good. Let's continue. We'll keep this on there because it might react again. Got a small reaction, but it got invalidated right away. So we'll get rid of this zone. Looks like we have a change of character. So instead of going trending down, it's either ranging or actually looking at that here, it looks like it's just reacting off of this now. So let's see. Yeah, exactly. So that's what it's doing. So it looks like UJ was giving opportunities today, which is good. Always appreciated. Too bad I missed it today, but this again could have been one to 4 risk to reward, which is really good. For those that don't know why people look at the risk to reward ratio, is because it kind of shows you how much money you're risking versus how much money you can make. Trading is usually a probability game, so you'll lose. You can't have 100% winning streak, but you have to try to have bigger winners than your losers. So that's why people look at the risk to reward ratio. Let's continue. So it looks like the market was ranging around that time. So we have a break of structure. So this was your most recent high, and now it just broke it. And you have a low here and a higher low. So it looks like the market is trending at this point. So if I was trading at this time, I would probably be looking for buys. We have a couple of zones here where we have demand here. It kind of hit already and went up, but you also have another zone here, another demand zone. So we'll see if it'll go back to this zone and shoot back up. Okay, so now it's back to the zone. There you go. Today would have been a beautiful day to trade. It's too bad I missed it. You have another zone here. Will it react to it? Yes, it does. So yeah, multiple opportunities today. I'll just pause here. So let's say you would have gotten into this zone where it hit that zone. Here we go. Could have potentially done it out the way here, but it kept on going. So if you're good enough to hold, this is almost a 1 to 4, potentially more. Let's see if it keeps on going. There you go, it kept on going. This would have been a beautiful trade if you're willing to hold it. I'll get rid of this. This has already been tapped in. And this as well. Actually, let's keep them to see if it reacts to it again. Looks like it's losing momentum here, so it's not going up anymore. It's kind of going down. So this is your higher high. Yeah, so now it's kind of downtrending. You have a change of character again. This is still a higher low than this previous low. Will it create a higher high or a lower low? Okay, no, it's still a higher high. So it's still uptrending technically. It could have tricked you if you weren't patient. There is a zone here. But this could have been a zone as well, where you saw kind of a good move up, went down, and I'm assuming it went back up. So let's see what else it does. Seeing a lot of wicks here, but the majority of them are below, so I guess the buyers are still in control. This was a pretty big wick though. And you can kind of see why. Like here are sellers, and now you're seeing a lot of red candles. Will it keep going up? In this mess I don't see too many demand zones, so you'd have to wait for an entry. This is interesting. This is a very old, I believe, a supply zone. Will it react to that? It does. Oh, okay. Validated. This was a very bullish day for UJ. This is amazing. This was another zone too. That's a very bearish candle. It's around lunchtime too. Sometimes momentum dies around lunchtime. So I'll just pause here. The reason why I'm pausing is that you had your higher high. This could have been a minor low, but this was definitely a low. I'll just remove this here. This was your previous higher low, but now we just went into that. So that's definitely a break in structure where it looks like we're going to the downside. You may want to look for sells at this point unless it changes again. So you would have a supply zone here, supply zone here. May not really count these, but we'll see. Yeah, it looks like it lost momentum around this time, which is normal around this time. This is kind of a big zone. Actually, it's more like this. but it's kind of going sideways. You'll notice that it's doing this in this area where you didn't really have anything. It was kind of ranging here. So you see it again here around the same price range where it's ranging again. So it's always good to look left. Right now it's looking like it may want to continue on the downside. But it's back to ranging. Okay, so I was wrong. It's uptrending. Very bullish day for UJ today. See, it didn't want anything to do with this area just because although it was decent selling, it was really ranging, so orders were being filled while it was ranging. Is it going to respect this zone or keep going up? This is really ranging, but we're also getting into the Asian session, so I am not surprised that we're seeing a lot of ranging. So I will stop it here, but there was definitely a lot of opportunities with UJ today. It's definitely a pair that I think I'll continue to keep looking at in the future. I look at it sporadically, but today was definitely a good day, so I'll keep it on my watch list to see if it continues to do that. And I'll continue to backtest other days just to see if it's common price action for UJ, or if today was just a one-off, because there wasn't too much news today. So leave a comment, a like, and subscribe if you like these kind of videos where I do backtesting. For me, I do it on a regular basis just because it helps me sharpen my skills, but so I will continue to share this experience with you on YouTube. If you like this, please leave a comment. Let me know how you backtest. Maybe you have tips and tricks that I can incorporate in my trading, vice versa. Thank you again for watching. Have a nice day.